Was because I saw all these pictures on Instagram of these beautiful women with these amazingly huge sky-high eyelashes, and I said, wow, look at those lashes. And they were all talking about this particular brand of mascara, and I had to get it. So if you're curious, stay tuned. What I'm talking about is, and I actually did a story on YouTube. You know, YouTube has the story clips where you have a 60 seconds or under, you can talk about something. Well, anyways, I talked about how I've been hunting for this stuff. So I keep watching and keep seeing these ads on Instagram, these ads on Facebook, and these amazingly beautiful women with these honking huge eyelashes. And I'm thinking, that mascara sounds awesome. And I kept hearing it's a dupe for this, it's a dupe for that. So I went to look for it. And this is the Maybelline. And I will have to say, I think Maybelline, out of all the drugstore brands, hands down has such a huge variety of mascara that you could just get totally lost looking at Maybelline mascaras. So anyways, I started to look for the Lash Sensational Sky High Mascara. I couldn't find it anywhere. If I found it, the shelves were empty, or it had a color I didn't want. All the blacks were out, all of the, this one here is the waterproof, but on my eyes right now I have the one that's not waterproof, the regular one. I was like really shocked that I could not find this mascara anywhere, and I was really freaking out because I wanted to try it. And I finally found it. I actually found it, it was on back order until sometime in February on Amazon, and Walgreens kept selling out. So I finally got it. I ordered in Walgreens, and Walgreens often has sales. Sometimes you buy one full price, get half price, whatever. And you know, I have points and I have coupons. So I ordered it. Went to the store to get it, and I'm going to superimpose a picture of the shelf because there was only like 2 left. I couldn't believe it. The place was cleaned out. Of course, I had my 2. So I ordered one, a regular one, not a waterproof one, and I ordered them both in the, I think, very black shade. The waterproof I haven't opened yet. I wanted to see how it would compare to the other mascaras that I've tried. I mean, I have like a Clarins is my high end that I really like it. I got that one. I reviewed that one from Octoly. I love that mascara. It has knocked my It Superhero off the shelf for me, and I used to love It Superhero, but I just thought the Clarins mascara was so much better. So for drugstore, I've been using Essence, because you cannot beat the price of the Essence. I have it here, Lash Princess. You can't. And to me, it does really well. It holds up really well. I really like it. So I bought this, and I said, the first thing I noticed when I opened it up, and this is used, was the wand is really kind of soft. And I said, so I thought, wow, that's a little wiggly wandy thing, right? And I was wondering how that was going to be. But it actually did not bother me at all. I was able to put it on my eyes. So this picture, excuse my ugly eyes, but this picture is where I have one coat on one eye and nothing on the other eye. And then the next picture, you're going to see I have one coat on each eye. And then when I was done that, when I was done the one coat on each eye, I looked at it and I thought, wow, it really built up a good amount of, I think, length for me. So the length was definitely there. The volume was there. I compared it to my Essence, which is cheaper in general, because Essence, I don't know, it doesn't cost that much. It was like maybe $4 something for this. And this on sale was about $7 something, because I bought 2. I had a coupon and all that. I think you can get this as high as 12 bucks, but average about 8 or 9. So this is definitely more than this. But I will tell you that I actually like this one better than this one. And I didn't think I would say that. I thought this actually built up my lashes better. And this is not waterproof, so I was like worried about how would it hold up all day. So this is day 3 of using this. Is it 4? Maybe 4, I don't know. Day 3 or 4 of using this. And I'm not using the water from Amazon, and I said, I I gotta get that top. It was V-neck, she said it was warm and cozy and all of that. And so I ordered the top, I actually have it on, and it is a V-neck. This is warm and cozy to her. I'm up here in New Hampshire. This is not warm and cozy. This would be something I might wear on a summer night, not on a winter day. But it's a beautiful top. So I digress. I know you don't want to care about the top, but it really is a nice top. I like it. I like how it fits. It's got the long sleeves. It is very comfortable. So I'd say it's comfortable and cozy. But it's all subjective, right? Isn't it? So what I'm getting at is, so is mascara. Some people may love this. Some people may love this one better. I don't know. The dupes that this is for, the high-end dupes, I couldn't tell you because I don't use those brands. I do like this one better than this one. So when I say that, if I was going away and I could only bring one mascara and it was going to be drugstore, it would be this one right now. I really am pleased with it. So it's held up. I come home and right now it's been on my eyes. Oh my gosh, I don't have my watch on right now. But it's been on my eyes all day from early in this morning. And the other thing I have on my eyes, I'm not even going to talk about that, but I have that little milk crayon on my eyes, little purple one. I love it. I think it looks so pretty. I'll talk about that in another video. But this mascara has held up a real long time all day. It hasn't flaked. It hasn't smudged off. And that's what I was worried about, you know. I was worried about it because, like, if you don't know how mascara is going to hold up and you're out, you're teaching, you're in public, you're talking to people, and if you have mascara smudging all down your cheeks, it's going to be awful, right? It's going to be awful. So for me, on my lashes, this has been really good. It's held up awesome. I love how it's built up my lashes. I did the one coat in the pictures. I put a second coat on. I think I did three dips. And that's okay. That's normally I do 3 or 4 in this as well. I'm a heavy mascara user. You may not be, but I am. But does this give me those Instagram eyes? No. It is not going to give me those Instagram lashes I see on Instagram or the ones I see on Facebook. Is this a nice mascara? I think so. I like it. I'll use it. I'll continue to purchase it. I like this as well. So I think these are both really good mascaras. Difference in prices is minor. I bought those myself. Obviously, none of this was sent to me, but I was just like really excited about that mascara, so I wanted to share that with you.